Welcome to LNT Institute of Technology. Here, I will be helping you in order to fill in the online application form. So, let's start by understanding a few things about it that are necessary. Basically, the admission form is for diploma program. Applications are accepted from all the eligible candidates from across India for full-time regular diploma program. And moreover, the candidate should be a Ward of L&T employee who has completed 5 years of service in an organization. The candidates are sincerely requested to apply online. The admission application form works best with Firefox browser, so it is a humble request to install the Firefox browser if you have not installed it beforehand. Now, let us see, learn and understand the steps to complete the online procedure for the application form. The first thing that what we should know is how to access the application form in the Firefox browser. This can be done by clicking the link mentioned on the LTIT website. That is, this is the link. When you click the link which is mentioned on the LTIT website, it will take us to the home page of the application form. That is, this is the home page of the application form. Once you reach the home page of the application form, click on the admission option in the menu bar. After you click on the admission option, then click on the application option. And then finally click on application form. This will result in displaying the main form containing of various tabs within it. That is, this is the main form. The small arrow-like icon at the left can be used in order to hide the sidebar. Let's click on it. Thus the sidebar will disappear, resulting in making the screen to be full size. Click on the same icon again to make the sidebar appear. Now let us understand each of the tabs step by step. The first tab is the choice of preference tab. Note that the fields marked with asterisk are mandatory and have to be compulsorily filled. In this, select the program course from the drop-down box in front of Choice 1, Choice 2 and Choice 3 respectively, depending upon your preferences. Make sure that the preference given in each of the choice is unique and is not repeating. For example, for Choice 1, I select Mechanical Engineering. For Choice 2, I select Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. And for Choice 3, it's Computer Engineering. Thus, my preferences given in each of the choice are unique and are not repeating. Then, finally click on the Save button to confirm your input. Once you click on it, message for successful confirmation will be displayed on your screen. That is, this message in green. Now, click on the next button at the right bottom to enter into the Personal Detail tab. The next tab is the Personal Detail tab. Fill in all your personal details in this tab. Select the category from the drop-down box that suits you the best. In the candidate type option, select the option from the drop-down box that suits you the best. For example, first name Rita, middle name Raj, last name Mehra, gender female, date of birth say 98 December 16. Candidate type, I will select Maharashtra local. You can select what suits you the best. Category, I'll select open. You may choose what suits you the best. Subcategory, open. Religion, according to yourself. Aadhaar number, it should be a proper 12-digit number. Say so after filling in all the mandatory fields, click on the Create button. Once you click on the Create button, message for successful creation of record will be displayed on your screen. That is this message on green. If by chance you happen to miss any of the mandatory fields or field, you click on the create button. It will not give you the confirmation message. In fact, it would notify you with the pending mandatory fields. Then fill in all the required fields and click on the create button. Click on the next to move to the next tab. Now moving to the next tab is the address detail tab. Here first click on the add button. On clicking the add button, a box appears containing various fields. Fill in all the fields. For example, address line 1, A2, Mayur, Society, address line 2, Janki Devi Road, Daisar, East, City, Mumbai, State, Maharashtra, Country, India, pin code, mobile number, telephone number, email ID, so once you fill in all the fields, click on the save button. Once you click on the save button, message for successful creation of record will be displayed on the screen, that is this message in green. Permanent and mailing address details will be created. You can change your mailing address by clicking on the edit icon. For example, let us go and click on the edit icon. Suppose you want your mailing address to be C Wing Ajita Society and your address line to be Sector 3 Meera Road East, and then click on update. So once you click on update, your mailing address will be updated, that is this. Now once you're done with all this, click on next button to move to the next tab. The next tab is the academic detail tab. In this tab, first click on the add button to enter in the academic details. After you click on the add button, again there will appear a box that will consist of various fields. Fill in all the fields. However, make a note that all CBSE and ICSE candidates should convert their grades into marks and then fill in the form. For example, degree type SSC, subjects offered English, Science, Mathematics, History, Geography, Hindi, etc. Then colleges, school were studied, and university or board, Maharashtra, Year of passing 2014. Medium English. Marks obtained 570. Marks out of 750. So after filling in all the fields, click on the Save button. Message for successful creation of record will be displayed on your screen. That is this message in green. Now click on the next button to go on to the next tab. The next tab is the subject mark detail tab. Now in this tab, again click on the add button. This again leads to a box containing many fields and in which you need to fill in all the required. Select each subject from the drop down box and enter the marked details, that is science, math and English. For example, go to subject, first select science. Marks obtained 88. Maximum marks 100. Click on the Save button. Message for successful creation of record will be displayed on your screen. And there will be creation of one record. That is, this is the message and this is the first record. Now do this for each of the subjects. For example, again go to add. Since we are done with science, next we will select is maths. Again go to marks obtained, maximum marks, and again click on save. Thus second record will be created. That is, this is the second record. Again click on add. Now since we are only left with English, we will go and select English. Marks obtained, maximum marks, and click on save. Thus third record will be created. And after you are done with all the three subjects, click on next in order to enter into the parent detail tab. This tab is the parent detail tab. Fill in all the mandatory details and all the required fields. For example, first name Raj, middle name Rahul, last name Mehra. Here I'll select civil infrastructure. Designation, say executive. PS, it should be an appropriate PS number. For example, say I'll put now coming to date of confirmation. For date of confirmation, as mentioned before, that candidate should be ward of L&T employee who has completed 5 years of service in an organization. That means this date should be 5 years prior to the present date. So in that case, I'll take it to be 2008 October 21st. Now reporting officer, say Akash, designation, say officer. Head of department, say Reena, designation, say HOD. And after you are done with all the details, click on the create button. Once you click on the create button, message for successful creation of record will be displayed on your screen. That is this. Now click on next to move on to the next tab. In the enclosure detail tab, list of admission documents will be displayed on your screen. Click on the edit symbol of the document. Select the document submitted status as yes from the drop down box and click on update. Thus it will be changed to yes. Perform this for each of the documents. For example, say go to drop down box, click yes, update. Same for HSC mark sheet. Yes, update. Nationality certificate. Proof. Thus, make sure that all the document status is turned to yes from the drop-down box. Attach a photocopy of applicable documents along with the hard copy of the form. Now, click on the draft PDF button. Once you click on the draft PDF button, review the draft PDF to ensure all details are correct or no. Do not take any printout of the draft PDF. If any corrections are required, click on the update button or icon. For example, this is your draft PDF. Suppose you want to change your first name spelling to R-E-E-T-A. In that case, let's go back to the personal detail tab. Now go to first name, make the change and click on the update button. Again, message for successful confirmation will be displayed on your screen. That is this message on green. Now let us again go to the enclosure detail tab. And again click on draft PDF. Thus, you can see the update that has been made. Now, after correction, click on the finish button. And print the final PDF. Click on yes. This is your final PDF whose print has to be taken. Make the note of the application ID on the form. Attach 2 passport size photographs and take necessary signature on the form. Fill in the physical fitness certificate, that is this is the physical fitness certificate. Fill in this certificate. Send the application form to LTIT mailing address. I hope this video has been of great help to you. Thank you.